I'm Verity Butler from Feed Magazine, and I'm here at AJA. So would you like to introduce yourself and your role at AJA?
Yeah, my name's Abe Abt, of course with AJA Video. I'm the senior product consultant here, which basically means I talk to customers and then I talk to engineers and tell them what the customers want.
So do you want to just sort of launch in with your main IBC news that you're launching at this year's show?
Absolutely, yeah. We have a bunch of, three new products that we've announced here at IBC. The biggest, newest announcement, of course, would be the Kona IP25. It's right behind us here, actually. It's the demo we've got going on here in this lovely setup. Kona IP25, it's a new Kona card. Of course, it's a IP board with 25 gig capable SFPs in there. So that's just kind of the basics on it. We also released a new Open Gear color box, a new Open Gear C10 DA, basically an analog or a sync DA. But you know, the big news is definitely the Kona IP25, and then some other really exciting technology previews we have centering around like the AWS CDI technology and virtual Konas and things like that.
Okay, and so when we look at sort of the kind of applications, where would Kona fit?
Well, that's kind of the cool thing about a Kona IP25. It's like a new board, it's new technology, it's really future forward. It's a 25 gig IP board, but at the end of the day, it's a Kona. And we've been making Konas for 20 years. Our customers know them really, really well. They have a real set underlying architecture. We have a unified SDK for all of our Kona boards, and we have like this set of retail drivers and software compatibility. And the Kona IP25 is no different. So it's going to work with, you know, the Creative Cloud. It's going to work with all the applications that, you know, all of our Kona cards have worked with. So that's post-production applications for editing, for compositing, for things like that. And it also works with streaming applications. You can hook this up to OBS if you wanted to, like a free open source streaming application. So they're really, really endless. And then of course we have hundreds of developer partners that we love. And this has the same SDK as all the boards that they've been working with for years. So the future is very bright for this board.
Very versatile, yeah. And so you mentioned sort of the direct plug-in to AWS, so why is that important?
Well, AWS and you know, Amazon and their CDI technology is a really fascinating thing for us. I mean, CDI you can kind of think of as it's like SDI for the cloud. It's uncompressed video moving through the AWS cloud in a very efficient, low latency manner. And so it allows like remote workers, people working from home, people working on different sets all across the nation, you know, they will be allowed to, you know, collaborate and work in the cloud as if they were working with SDI video. And you know, with virtual Kona and our CDI integration, we basically have an API level integration with CDI. So these CDI systems can basically talk to Konas as if they were talking to a Kona card sitting in a computer. And one of the nifty things there is that basically through us now, because CDI is now compatible with our drivers and our software, now anything that's compatible with us is now compatible with CDI. So it really gives our customers a bridge into cloud collaborative workflows, which is the new thing nowadays with all the distributed workforce and remote work and all that kind of stuff. So we love it.
Yeah. What are some of the biggest challenges that are faced when it comes to delivering sort of a live production in the cloud?
Well, I mean, it's the biggest challenges are right there in the description of it, delivering things. I mean, because this video is high data rate stuff, and you know, video is not just video, there's audio, there's control, there's all the metadata associated with the video, and all these things have to travel together and arrive at multiple locations all at the same time in sync, so that people, you know, in this new distributed and remote workforce, they can all work together collaboratively on these things. And you know, our tools, these standards-based, SMPTE standard-based products, and like our CDI virtual Kona product, they allow for all these things to work collaboratively, and it allows for multiple products from multiple manufacturers and multiple software applications to all have interoperability.
There's also been a bit of a shift when it comes to sort of remote production, hybrid production, so could you sort of summarize what AJA and tools like Kona are doing to help with that kind of transformation?
Absolutely. I mean, it's just that. I mean, all of our products are designed I mean, first of all, for wide compatibility with all of these applications that work in the cloud, that work on premises, and all that, and then they're all designed to work together as like a big ecosystem.
Yeah.
And Kona IP25 and our CDI virtual Kona products and that whole project, it's really just designed to solve these issues, to allow people to work collaboratively from multiple locations. And this is just the tip of the iceberg. This is just some of the hardware we make that does this. We have amazing software applications that do this, like AJA Discover Media Edition for global media management. I mean, it's a whole new world here. Things live in the cloud, people live and work all over the place, and we're just trying to link them together, because that's really what AJA's always done. We're a bridging company. We bridge the analog to digital transition, the SD to HD, the HD to 4K, and then SDR to HDR, and now it's baseband to 4K. So that's what we're here for, and we're here to go listen to our customers, find out what they need, find out what their pain points are, and make products that help them out.
Well, it's really exciting news. Thank you for sharing that with us.
Yes,
and
thank you.
enjoy the rest of the show.
Oh, will do. Thank you.
Thank you.